Today, we're going to learn how to put together a tenor saxophone. Alright, now you'll want to unlock your locker. Alright, let's go find a practice room. First, grab your neck strap and put it around your neck. Then, you'll want to grab your reed and get it out of its case. Grab your mouthpiece. I keep mine in a pouch, so I'm grabbing it now and taking it out of its cap. Now, slide the reed into your ligature like so. Don't forget to tighten your ligature, but not too tight. Next, grab your neck and put the mouthpiece onto the cork. Put the neck onto the body of the saxophone and tighten the screw. Grab the saxophone and hook your neck strap onto the ring. Tighten your neck strap and you're good to go. Wow! Now I know how to put together a tenor saxophone! What?